Hi, after watching the video, click the link in the description to download the program.
Unlock Your Hip Flexors has been a runaway success ever since it was introduced online. And even though it addresses a topic most people are unaware of, it has become an online bestseller for a number of years. Mike Westerdahl and Rick Kasselge created this guide because they believe that tight hip flexor muscles are one of the root causes for many health problems, such as digestive issues, inability to walk without discomfort, joint pain in your hips, legs, and back, lethargy, low libido, poor blood circulation, poor posture, sleep problems. By loosening your tight hip flexor muscles, not only will you help reduce these problems, but you'll have more energy and be able to shed the stubborn fat on your belly more easily. Your hip flexor muscles are responsible for many movements and are used when you walk, run, bend, and many other movements. Stretching them is essential to maintaining good health and balance within the body. Mike and Rick's guide, Unlock Your Hip Flexors, is so effective that thousands of people have benefited from it. You see, as we age, we lose our flexibility and range of motion. Often this is due to a sedentary lifestyle. Unlock Your Hip Flexors provides a series of simple exercises that only take a few minutes each day. Simple, yet powerful. In as little as 3 weeks, your hip flexors will be flexible, less tight, and many pain issues in your body may decrease or disappear. Let's take a closer look at why this product is so popular. Here's why you will love Unlock Your Hip Flexors. The information is detailed while at the same time easy to comprehend. Everything is well explained, and you'll have no problem following along. No complex medical terminology is used, so you will not be intimidated or overwhelmed by this guide. Unlock Your Hip Flexors is surprisingly affordable. For an online bestseller that has sold thousands of copies and has so many positive reviews, we were expecting it to be expensive. But with a very wallet-friendly price, this product is within the reach of most people. One excellent point about Unlock Your Hip Flexors is that you only need about 10 to 15 minutes to do the exercises. That's about 1% of your day. Anybody can spare 15 minutes to improve their health, so no matter how busy your schedule, you can make this work for you. It doesn't matter what gender you are or what your fitness level is. The exercises in this program will benefit most people and make them more limber. Your body will be less stressed out, too. You may experience a feeling of lightness and ease that leaves you feeling good all the time. Once you start doing the exercises shown in the guide, you may start to notice that your back pain and any other pain associated with your shoulders and neck start to gradually diminish. It may take you about 2 to 3 weeks to feel the results, but they'll come if you stay on schedule and follow the plan. All the pain that's associated with tight psoas muscles will disappear and you'll feel immense relief. The authors of Unlock Your Hip Flexors are fitness experts with impressive credentials and real-world experience, which explains why their information is on point and so effective. Most people will be able to see results and improvement in their health within 60 days. And if you don't see any results, you are covered as well. This program is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can get a refund. So you can buy this today knowing there's no risk involved. Here's what you need to know about Unlock Your Hip Flexors. This is a holistic method of treatment and will require consistency and patience from you. You'll need to spend a few minutes daily to do the stretches and exercises mentioned, and you must do them according to the plan. You'll also need to stick with it for about a month before you see noticeable results. But it's definitely worth the wait. Bottom line is you need to have patience and not quit. This product is only available online. You will need a computer and internet access to buy and download this product. However, once you download it, you can print it out for easy reference. Here's why you need to buy Unlock Your Hip Flexors today. This is one of those products that's so unique you won't find it elsewhere. It addresses a problem that is sorely neglected because most people aren't even aware that it exists. Tight hip flexors cause many health problems, as mentioned before. Yet we treat the symptoms without addressing the cause. This program will increase your flexibility, loosen your tight hip flexors, and improve your health. You only need a few minutes a day to achieve good health. Unlock Your Hip Flexors is an excellent investment in your health.
Click the link in the description to download the program.